The best ways to buy Adobe Premiere Pro CC. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Premiere Pro online. This is the full version of Premiere Pro, and I'm going to show you how you can sign up for the subscription so you can always get the latest version of Adobe Premiere Pro. Unfortunately, you cannot buy Adobe Premiere Pro for a once-off payment anymore. You'll have to choose one of the subscription plans that Adobe offers. Let's jump onto the laptop and let me show you how you can buy Adobe Premiere Pro quickly and easily. The first thing we need to do is head down to the description and click on the link. This is going to take you across to the Adobe website. Then we're going to head to Creativity and Design, and under Featured Products, we're going to select Premiere Pro. Now this is going to take you to the Adobe Premiere Pro homepage. And the great thing about this is you can see all of the Premiere Pro features that you're going to get access to. It's really amazing how powerful this program is and the amazing things you can do with Premiere Pro. Video editing, that's a cut above the rest. Premiere Pro is the leading editing software for creating incredible videos fast. There's more to your story. For fast and easy edits, edit once, share everywhere. Find tracks that won't get flagged. Boost engagement with custom captions. Get that wow factor fast. Discover the world of Premiere Pro. Explore artist stories, tutorials, live stream events, and more. See what new you can do. It's never been easier to use Premiere Pro. New features are rolling out regularly to simplify steps and save time. We use Adobe Premiere Pro every single day to edit our YouTube videos so that we can get more views. Now let me show you how you can purchase it. Head down to the bottom and you'll see all the options that you can use to buy Adobe Premiere Pro. Now there's the Premiere Pro single app plan, and there's the Creative Cloud all apps plan. This is the one that we use for our YouTube channel, and we currently have the subscription for our business. And then there's the students and teachers, which is a discounted rate, and there's the business option. Once you've decided which option you're going to go with, you can select the blue buy now button. So the first step is to pick a subscription. Monthly, yearly, build monthly, and yearly build up front. Select which one works for you and click the blue continue button. In step 2, Adobe is going to ask you if you want access to amazing stock images. If you do, you can add on Adobe stock. There is a great 1-month free trial where you get access to 10 free stock images. But remember, they're going to charge you a subscription fee after that if you want to continue with it. If you're not interested, click on no thanks. You're going to enter your email and a password if you already have an Adobe account. If you don't have an Adobe account, you can sign into a new account. So they're going to ask you to enter your email, and then on the next page, you can enter a new password. In step 3, you'll enter your payment information. You can use your credit card information, or you can use a PayPal account. Once you've completed these steps, you'll have to download the Creative Cloud app, and inside the Creative Cloud app, you can download your new Premiere Pro app. Now, if you have any questions or queries about buying Premiere Pro online, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be happy to help you out. I hope you enjoy Premiere Pro as much as I do. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.